V2's back from heat treat. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Three River Blades. I'm in my shop. I finally got back from vacation. Sorry about that, but yeah, I do need a break from time to time. It was awesome. Went out to the woods, out to the mountains with my son, and had a father and son camping trip and a whole bunch of other stuff. So check out Three River Survival if you want to check out all the things that I was doing up there. It's another one of my YouTube channels, and we had a great time. So back to the shop, we have the Void or V2s back from heat treat. You can see that bluing right there. That's just part of the cryo setup that they do over there. Peter's Heat Treat does a phenomenal job. I'm really impressed with it. These are $10.95, which, you know, is a carbon steel, so you will have to take care of it, but I do have other options for these. So if you want some type of Cerakote, you want gun blue, you decide what you want. This is primarily going to be set up by the designer, which is Jimmy. Jimmy Void did design the Void 1s, and then here's the Void 2s. Okay, just a little bit different in design. We went with a more simple handle. The blade length is basically the same, so I think it's 3 inches. So anywhere in the United States, this thing is completely legal. 3-inch blades are going to be legal no matter what in any state. The difference is the handle design is a little bit bigger, so this is about 3.5 inch. So guys with big mitts like I do could actually grip up on this knife and have a little bit more comfortable purchase on that knife. He designed it with a Paracord Wrap. We do have different paracord colors, so if you want orange, green, that kind of thing, if you go to the website, there's a whole bunch of different options up there you can use. Primarily, it's just going to be OD green as a default wrap. Now, you can change that if you want handle scales. I have handle scales. I have micarta, I have G10. You can do all that on the website. It's just a bunch of options. You can click on it. And this is primarily, again, going to be another neck knife because Jimmy likes neck knives and he designed it. So we'll start it with a neck knife, but you can also carry it on your belt. Make sure on those options you click on how you're going to carry this on the website. If you don't click on the option, it's just going to be a default neck knife with a ball and chain setup and a paracord in OD green. They're selling for exactly the same price as the Void 1s, so the Void 1s and Void 2s. I don't have that many Void 1s left. I think I have 4 left, so if you want a V1, then you're going to have to go ahead and purchase that right away because I don't have any more. I'm not making any more, so there's only 4 left for purchase on the V1s. I do have about 15 to 20 of these if you want a V2. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the grinding because I got a lot of work to do. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so there you have it, the V2 in action. Alright, the V2, the Void 2 is, like I said, $10.95. I chose to gun blue this knife. I think if you are going to use $10.95, you should have some type of coating on it. Gun blue is very easy for me to do, and it doesn't cost that much. If you wanted some other options, they're up there on the website. You can go and check those out, like such as Cerakote. Cerakote is also an option. Just want to give you a little bit of a close-up. As you can see right there, it is hollow ground, and it does have that really nice logo. That's the new logo for Three River Blades. Has a little diamond around it, and then on the other side you're gonna have the V for Void. This is cord wrap. This is 550 paracord 7-strand, if that's important to you. On this knife itself, you're going to notice that because it's cord wrapped, it's not going to have that audible click. It does have a little bit, but it's very, very little. All right, and the reason that is because you have cord wrap. Cord tends to be a little bit soft, so it doesn't have that hard snap. However, these knives can get G10, micarta, or hardwood. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and use that as an option. Obviously, the sheath will be a little bit different because you're going to have to hold a little bit more weight up, and it'll fit around really nicely. The sheath is a fold-over sheath, as you can see right there. Fits around the neck, nice and easy. Pull it out, do your work, and then put it back in. The sheath itself does have 3 holes that correspond to a large tech lock. So if you have a large tech lock or you want to buy one, all you have to do is connect it yourself, and you can wear it as a belt knife. All right, very simple. Just get some Chicago screws and you're good to go. So really nice. Again, highly recommend this. Really small. I will keep a nice coat of oil on there, so if you can see, it's a little bit shiny. For me, I just use Balstol. You can use any oil. If you're going to use it for food prep, don't do gun blue. If you want to use this for food prep, then just use regular mineral oil and don't do the gun blue, okay? Because gun blue can be toxic. This is basically a utility knife, a neck knife, a hunting knife, that kind of thing. But really nice, lightweight package, and it does come with the ball string, which is a breakaway string. So if you had this on your neck and it got caught, it wouldn't choke you to death, it would just break. All right, so there it is, the V2. Alright guys, so what I need you to do is to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon, put the little parentheses around the side, get on that mailing list. The mailing list is going to give you discounts. I just send out a 4th of July discount code, 10% off on all my knives, including this one. So if you're interested in that and you're already on the mailing list, just check your email, check your spam box. If you're not on that mailing list, get on it now, okay? Because I'm not sending that discount code anywhere else except for the mailing list. So it's very simple. You go to threeriverblades.com, go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. Click on send, then check your inbox and double opt in. It's that simple, and now you can go ahead and get my discounts. And then if you don't want to at a later date, just unsubscribe. It's very, very simple. It doesn't cost you anything. Become a Patreon member. Patreon only costs you $1 a month. You'll see videos like this before anybody else. So that helps you out. If you want to keep up-to-date information, go to Three River Blades if you want an awesome made knife. Or go to Three River Kydex if you need a holster, or you need a knife sheath, or you need a mag pouch. I make everything in Kydex, okay? Thank you very much, guys, and as always, please stay safe.